Intial, back here with another tutorial. If you are watching me for the first time, welcome, and if you're oldie but goodie, welcome back. So I just want to talk quickly about this hair. Basically, Luhair sent me this full lace 360 wig, so I want to give like my initial reviews. I haven't been wearing it for that long, but I just wanted to give my initial reviews on how I felt about the hair. And let me say this hair is bomb. So I don't have, like, I'm not good with lace wigs really, so like I need something that's very easy for me to very low maintenance, something very easy for me to take care of. So this is its natural state right now. This is how it looks, and this is not glued down at all, like, and it looks so natural. Like, it really, I just had the edges glued down, but if you can see, the wig is not glued down. They provided so many things for me. Luhair, they provided the lace. Keep on watching and I'll show you everything they sent to me. But this hair is very low maintenance. It's very easy. This is the hair in its natural state. I did warm curl it, but I washed it last night. But I just wanted to show you this hair is like so bomb. I'll make sure I put all of the information down below in the description box. But if you want to see my unboxing and my initial review of this hair, please continue to watch. But yes, honey, look at it. Hey beauty, so this is the hair. Excuse my voice because I have a bit of a cold. I'm not really starting off the new year just right. But the brand is Luhair. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that right. And they supplied me with a lot in the bag. They gave me a wig cap, a comb, a rat tail comb, elastic band, and also like the thank you card with like instructions on how to maintain and maintenance the hair. But initially taking out the hair, you can already tell that the lace looks like it's tinted and bleached already, which is nice. And also the hairline looks already pre-plucked, which is even better because I am not the greatest with lace front wigs. I'm still working on perfecting it. So they made it really, really easy for like newcomers and new starters on lace front wigs. Like when I tell you this is the best wig I've ever had, like I'm so serious. I lied to you not. And the fact that they gave you a wig cap, like a little wig stand too for it, it's just nice. They supplied you with pretty much everything you need. So they made it so effortlessly easy for you to do this wig. Like, I really didn't even need to pluck the strands that I plucked because it already looked so natural. And then when I added the elastic band, it kind of, it laid flat on my head. I do want to make it a little tighter so it can lay flatter. Maybe I'll gel it, I will glue it down. I don't know. I really don't like that look sometimes, but maybe I'll try it because I want to be able to wear it up in a ponytail as well. Yeah, but as you can see, it already looks so realistic, the hairline. Like, they did it perfectly. Like, I was so shocked when I got this wig because of how nicely it was constructed. Like, I literally had to do the bare minimum and it still came out looking nice. Like, I got a lot of compliments on this wig when I wore it out. The only thing is it was dry the first time I wore it, but when I deep conditioned it, I left the conditioner in for like an hour, a few hours, and it came back so soft and so pretty. So like very minimum shedding. Like, when I tell y'all this is like a go-to wig out of all the hair that I've tried, like, I really, really, really am very satisfied with this wig. Now I'm just creating a middle part for myself. I use a little water and a scarf to mold the middle part. Okay, hey guys, I know I'm looking super crazy right now, but I just want to show you guys the natural state once the wig has been washed. If you look at this is just a close-up of the lace. I did not bleach the knots. I did very minimum plucking. Like, this like really is like how it looks out of the box. This is just how it looks out of the box. So I haven't glued it down or anything. This is just how it looks. It looks very, very, very natural. Like, this wig is bomb. I haven't done anything to it. I pretty much just took out the box. I plucked it just like a few, like maybe like 10 strands, and they did give me a wig cap, so this is the color of the wig cap that I'm using. And I thought it was gonna be too dark, but it's actually a good color. But yeah, I don't think I don't plan on bleaching the knots, just because it already looks super natural. Like this, literally this wig, you can just take out the box, cut the lace, and be good to go. So this is what it looks like just washed. I'm still trying to figure out my background and everything, so I am going to show you guys how I styled this hair. But so far I'm loving it. No complaints or nothing. I'm like really loving this hair so far. Like I love the fact that I have not glued it down, because I really don't like gluing wigs down because I just haven't mastered it yet, and it already looks so natural. But yeah, I'm just going to start styling it. I'm going to cut it and shape my face, and I'm going to style it, and you guys are going to see the final look when I'm cute. I got my makeup done, my hair is did, and I just got to find a place to go. Alright, I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm filming from my phone because my camera died, and I don't know where my other batteries are. But as you guys can see, this is the natural state. And it's not laid down. Excuse my pits. But it's not glued down. But I am going to shape my face first, and then I'm gonna put some flexi rods in it to style it. Apply any heat to it. I do like the natural curl. Like as you guys can see, there is no shedding really. It is a little dry at the ends, but I'm gonna put a little bit of oil, a little bit, because I'd rather have it laying a little flatter at the top. So I'm going to let it. This, and you can see how curly that's already starting to get. I think this is either body wave or loose curl, like a loose curl, loose wave. But yeah, so yeah, those are my thoughts on the hair. My overall review is I love the density. I love like that it doesn't shed. I love that it looks very realistic without me having to do anything to it. I barely plucked it. I didn't tint it. I didn't bleach the knots. Like it came pre-plucked. Like it just looks very, very natural. And I've been getting compliments on this wig left and right. And it's honestly by far probably my favorite wig that I've ever received. And I can't wait to like style it and make it look super bomb. But so far I'm really liking it. If you are a beginner with like frontals and stuff like that, this is definitely a company you want to check out. But anywho, as always and forever, stay blessed and have peace and love.